Angel here. Today I am making my first Instant Pot recipe, and of course it's going to be a Taiwanese recipe. So today I'm going to show you how to make Taiwanese lu rou fan, which is braised pork over rice, and I am going to be using my new shiny Instant Pot Mini Duo. Now I've actually made braised pork before over the stovetop and also in my slow cooker, but of course that takes a couple hours to make. But today we're going to be making it in my Instant Pot, and it is going to be a 30-minute pressure cook time. So it's going to be actually fairly quick for braised pork. And I'm going to show you some shortcuts. So if you're running late and you need to make dinner quick, you can actually still make braised pork that tastes delicious and tender. So with that, let's get started. All right, the first thing we're going to need is some pork belly, and I'm using about 1.5 pounds of pork belly that's been pre-cut. So if you go to the grocery store, I recommend that you get pre-cut pork belly into small pieces. That way you shave a few minutes off your kitchen prep time. Next, we're going to put the Instant Pot on saute mode, and we're going to brown the meat for about 3 to 5 minutes. Just add a little bit of oil and stir fry. Now, it's totally okay if you want to save a few extra minutes to skip this step. It'll still taste good, but I feel like browning the meat just gives it a little extra something. And while your Instant Pot is on and cooking, this is a great time to make some white rice in your rice cooker, and also some optional hard-boiled eggs if you want to put some in your Instant Pot later. After browning the pork, let's add the other ingredients. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of dried shallots, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of rice wine, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce to give it a darker color, and ½ cup of light soy sauce or regular soy sauce. And finally, 3 3/4 cups of water. Now normally I would use 4 cups of water in a slow cooker recipe like this, but water doesn't evaporate much in the Instant Pot, so we're going to use a little bit less. Once all those ingredients are in, close and secure the lid. Also, don't forget to adjust the top vent to the sealed position, then set your Instant Pot to cook on pressure cook mode on high and more for 30 minutes. After the pressure cook time has ended, slowly vent out the steam from the top of the Instant Pot, and when the silver indicator has moved back down, you can go ahead to open the lid and add the optional hard-boiled eggs. Now, I recommend letting the eggs sit for an extra 10 minutes on the keep warm function at a very minimum, but you can always let them sit for longer. And of course, the longer you let them sit, the tastier they'll be. After that's done, feel free to remove the Instant Pot lid and serve everything over a bowl of hot rice. Also, don't forget to spoon some of the yummy braising sauce over the egg too. Okay, so now it's time for the taste test. I'm gonna get a little bit of egg, a little bit of braised pork because I don't want a mouthful here. That was really good. The flavors of the 5-spice and the soy sauce egg, along with the super tender pork belly, so good. Thank you, Instant Pot Mini. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It is so good. Definitely try it out and come back and post in the comments below and let me know how you liked it. And for more Instant Pot recipes like this one, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.